Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to AI-powered creativity. I'm your host, and today we're taking you on a journey from simple text prompts to stunning visual masterpieces. Using our trusted companions, ChatGPT, Blue Willow, and Midjourney V5, we're creating a series of art for a climate change collection. So, buckle up, because we're about to go zero to Picasso in under 10 minutes. Now, first things first, you need to set the stage for your AI. Here in ChatGPT, we're setting the context. For our climate change series, we're thinking a polar bear stranded on a shrinking iceberg, or a forest slowly reclaiming a city. Yeah, it can get pretty dramatic. Once you've got your prompt ready, it's time to bring it to life. Copy it and head over to the B&B Discord. Here, you're going to summon our AI Picasso with the command /create, then paste your prompt. Watch as the magic unfolds. But why stop at one masterpiece? Let's take this to Blue Willow, repeat the command, and paste the prompt. The AI revolution isn't about choosing favorites, folks. It's about harnessing the power of multiple minds to achieve maximum creativity. And here comes the part where our art goes from cool to what? Is that a Van Gogh? Click on U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale your image. Each bot has a unique interpretation, and with upscaling, you can really see the details pop. And boom, with a few clicks and a dash of AI magic, you've got yourself an art piece that speaks volumes about climate change. And you didn't even need to touch a paintbrush. Now, why are we doing all this? Well, it's simple. We're living in the era of digital intelligence, where familiarizing ourselves with AI tools like these isn't just cool, it's necessary. It boosts productivity, fosters creativity, and who knows, it might just save the planet one day. So there you have it, folks, our journey from text to art. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with the future of AI creativity. And please support the B&B movement, because in the end, we're all about harnessing the power of AI to make the world a more creative, more sustainable place. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and remember, the future is in your hands and your keyboard. Out.